Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbranga Nsem TV GH so wofreme Adwoa Searching.
Ame. Se Bawumia win primary sia me gu NPP. Me say me se Bawumia when win primary ni any time am di time Bawumia bre mu yare wo Supreme Court nyansa ye de pepe nema mu e se do ketia kra hu anu e wo Supreme Court hwa bra Bawumia ko bre wo Supreme Court wo be dra be keka nkwasi asem hwa mo hu bia mo de gyina ho am be kese tia Bawumia mo pa Bawumia elusu promise na Bawumia elusu promise bia me na na busu me ni Kevin Taylor any NPP bloggers no ye be go NPP mo bet na opposition 68 years mo na mo famaki baby nipa ya dia osaye bre papa ya bre Brandon na mo kra mo safata e ahwa mo hu bia mo de gyina mo safata mo yonko ne Bawumia NDC foko hu den clear o mo ni clear say Bawumia be so sidi ade no mo tia se me se mu de mo ye mema mu de mo pe a mo kuntia Bawumia mo so obedi motem na mo keka kwasa asem te e kire papa no na mo no mo ensem foko de me dim hu ya bebre se mo tete o ma ye keka kwasa asem e kire sere mu nya nipa Bawumia nyansa Bawumia ho no sebi asante foko bi mu bi ni bi enye sika mapegu ho dabi ya ka policies e be transform nyama enye dede na mo ye no me say mo dia mo ye mema mo sabotage na mo pe a obi pe on be di Bawumia tem biom na on mo onye clean campaign na on bra be di Bawumia tem e ho no be mu say yes ente so kokko wo bi enum ye tu ye fo say ma ye nkasenti ya mo ba mo ye mema mo di Bawumia tem obi ba wa ye mo den Missy Obiba, na Missy me send clear signal. Mudie, ma Bawumia lose election. Na mo ka se Bawumia lose election we are. Mo be winning. So am yon kwan twanku na won twadu da. Ya ka Supreme Court. Nyansa ye di answer questions out. Na we nansa ye di uko jina daka mu. Hu pu che. Nansa uko kan sema ya kan se asema wa treason. Na pose che uja ho nyina ho po che. Look at Bawumia confident or tionuma or answer question papa ma judges crown edwumo e shedun kecha betina adaka mo calculator o buy faso o ka sha de ketwa senocrative mu a o ye obi bia o nsu hwe Bawumia no krenti de bia papa ne from onam a apomodin na mo hwe mo masa enye sika mo no na Bawumia lusu a mo forget it Bawumia se promise me see we nya mo forget it me do nya mo forget it me see me mechanically se Bawumia lusu election we pa me call NDC me see me ni Kevin Taylor ye be go NPP life and college
NPP delegate without Bawumia no NPP nya NPP o now bibia bo egina yi without Bawumia NPP nya NPP ma me ka do kran kire o Kena Japan ne Bawumia. So the Kena Japan to Bawumia ho a difference na so. Na NDC for yemu yodium na na Bawumia kra de oba na nka Bawumia na ba ya be kra be to oba ma no. Unu obi kokonto kwa. No ka kire say we dey ordinary bo betinya bome na wo si de kirem moni age. Be careful. MPP youth dey ma ready. Some the party member power on Babuamo. That's when you social media. TikToker serious. What you say? Me because me kasa waka kire me. Se Bawumia ene Akufo-Addo no. Omunya me no. Woni me kasa say. Wasiesie Bawumia wa polish no wa ni bibia wie. Eti mama obi e me dada mo me kan kire mo say ena president of ya omgu Akufo-Addo so edi atama ene ya me bi appointment a mo si de hire ma no bi aka na otomo no. Ebe ka kire say Kena Japan de a ene Kena Japan de a money na ho. Now without Bawumia no for now, dear. Without Bawumia no, mo forget the power. What you say? Mo forget it because I come pray come me ya fe me Kennedy inshira ofori. Eti menini kutadin ba ko me penasem nine gentleman. But see ya na e wom se sia no, enye Kena Japan asem. No ko na me ka kire o. Eti mo money na ho.
On Friday, April 4th, he described the government decision as a cardinal sin against humanity and described the negative impact it has had on Ghana's environment and natural resources. And this is President Muhammad saying that Akufo-Addo should have applied wisdom
and stop chasing illegal miners.
And you think that you applied wisdom in what you said?
It's sad.
See, President Muhammad, well, you so words, or throw so many words about why should I use the same words against him, man? You guys who did not tell.
Yes.
You guys who
Mwadi.
And but see, so no body.
And the money area.
See,
to the young guy said, only any year.
That be media. No, look, say, West Bia will use to tear the neck of what to be. I also use the same words against him. And one to me, and I said,
because President Akufo-Addo any channel.
President Akufo-Addo any channel.
Yeah, then there.
And I don't know what brofo. Where the Bia between you should be, no, nobody will be so tell you so has a word. And you can't complain.
Yeah.
You can't complain. Shank for a media for a church woman. Straight take a check and then go for the say he was the one oppressing and for and then go for the so you too you must be held accountable.
Na na wo national organizer of NDC. Why you see you show mu? You show mu on who say
hey facha me.
Adem.
Hwe. Hey, sorry no say me was it the good news?
Yes.
No man e man e kase doctor man defense minister. Was it the good news is under the directive of President John Dramani Mahama?
Yes.
The soldiers are back to fight Galamsey.
Oh,
where is the wisdom?
Oh.
And the good news is
not on Facebook.
Yes, the good news is under the directive of President John Dramani Mahama, the soldiers are back to fight Galamsey. Where is the wisdom? So between President Mahama and the Akufo-Addo, who applied wisdom?
You see, who applied
wisdom? Between President Akufo-Addo and President Mahama in fighting against Galamsey using the military, who applied wisdom?
So clearly, Oma failure of mine. Show him who national organizer. Who you say who no maybe away. There is an evidence confirmed or corroborated by the media report and intelligence says yenye umuhwehwe mu no. Okojina there was a clash. Yes, between illegal mining and any task force ni ebi no okojina akati ati do kan. I'm quoting, and this is available in GNA and Ghana Web. Joseph Amino. I see anti-Galamsey task force extorting miners, not fighting the menace.
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
you. I say, I am telling the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, that as a matter of urgency, he should order a stop to any mining operations being carried out. What the task force are doing can never be said to be fighting illegal mining. What the task force are doing can never be said to be fighting illegal mining, but rather they are extorting money and creating problems.
It's a video.
So the president must order the IGP and the interior minister that whichever task force is on the field, they should immediately halt the operations.
And Omajai, IGP task force, no, Joseph Yamina Guno. IGP task force, no, Pepra, one chairman of Galamsey for Waguno. I rehearse him. 22 drowned in Galamsey pit in Central Region. Any date is a?
And 29th.
And a current 22 drowned in Galamsey pit in Central Region. NADMO Reclamation Initiative launched 29th August 2025.
Jesus.
Any?
Oh, you see, task force now. Open the mama say Obi fight illegal mining and say apply wisdom. Now it doesn't make sense to withdraw. How different ministers say President Akufo-Addo withdraw, which I doubt do because Nastela Mikai even
just a way is our use to Was it credible?
Yes.
Intelligence.
Yeah.
Corroborate.
Chese
Bibia, Chese Joseph Yamin, and ya banga die. They are even no longer suspects. Because intelligence are confirming. Say, omole campaigns.
Fantastic.
Okay.
But what is it? Your friend Yamin mpo atutuna no kra.
After that, Kwalu said did President Mahama go party by and look buso mo say omuni mbe ko bunye skadi ye gala campaign na.
Yes.
Video me more wa ha.
We about happen. So na near emani ye arehoye ehuni say. On the President Mahama or criticize President Kufuor so ochichi galamsey yes ejeli miwa na campaigns. Echi etihwa omo di mewa obai so wachi galamsey fo bi oso do makoko
no omo ya campaigns
unim say ono President Mahama osa criticize President Kufuor ne NPP aban say they are chasing illegal miners with soldiers and the task force. Now it doesn't make sense.
I remember
President Mahama in the west there ya na hwe ma nko to asem kan say
na no ya
yes or say it is true that if you don't do something about it or he was talking about galamsey it will destroy the environment. But we need to apply wisdom.
Yes, you see.
President Mahama, we need to apply wisdom because we have chased young people involved in illegal small-scale mining with soldiers in the past in this country, but it didn't work.
Sir?
Also, or no, Theo. But if we put blanket ban and send soldiers after the young people, that is not the way to go. As you stop illegal small-scale mining, at the same time, you must put in place a livelihood package so that you are displacing people from illegal mining. They have something to do. So as you, Theo, or say, you are chasing illegal miners with task force new soldiers. It didn't work. Let's apply wisdom.
You see?
So President Mahama, apply wisdom in chasing illegal miners with task force.
What I would advise the president is in his public utterances on such issues, he should apply wisdom.
Hey,
please, let's tell him. He should apply wisdom. As what can far soldiers don't. I'm repeating what I'm headline say in his public utterances on national issues.
Yes.
He should apply wisdom in the choice of the words that he uses.
And then are they not chasing illegal miners with soldiers and task force?
Maybe a story. And was it there? Was it the soldiers
and Juma and that in the past, President Kufuor use wisdom.
Where April 4th,
yes,
2025.
Yes,
the headline on NPP's military withdrawal from Galamsey fight is a cardinal sin against humanity.
No.
The late Omane Boama. When he said this, was the defense minister.
Hey, these guys, But
the catch yourself for hypocrite or my moi.
There's so much dishonesty.
NPP's Mami Ridia. The defense minister, Dr. Idodo Maneboama, has criticized the former NPP government for its withdrawal of military forces from the ongoing battle against illegal mining, commonly known as